Did you know that you can make an amazing recipe using some overly ripe bananas which your family are going to be eating and they will be requesting for more? Let me show you what I made with my overly ripe bananas. In a bowl, I just peeled the overly ripe ones, as you can see, and with my whisk I'm going to match the bananas until they are soft. And you can also use a fork to do this if you don't have a whisk. And to that I'm going to add half cup of granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar if you wish. I went in with 2 eggs, and now I'm adding a tiny bit of salt. I'm going to add my butter, my unsweetened butter. It's almost melting. Make sure you use a very soft butter for this. You can bring it out from your fridge and keep it on your kitchen counter to, dissolve a bit before you use it for this recipe. I've also added my milk. I added whole milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but whole milk is the best for this recipe in my opinion. Now, after mixing all of that together, I set aside. In another bowl or in another pan, I've added 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to go in with my baking powder. I'm using 7.5 ml. I added 1 of that, and then I went in with half of that same spoon. And now I'm going to add my cinnamon powder. Guys, cinnamon powder took the flavor and the taste of what you are about to see now to another level. Okay, do try it out and come and thank me later. Like, the aroma and the taste is something else. So after mixing all the dry ingredients together, I poured in the wet ingredients and I mixed everything to combine well. Now, once that is done, I'm going to set aside and I'm going to grease my baking pan. I know I didn't tell you guys what we are making, but basically I'm making banana bread. I'm sure a lot of you must have, guessed by now. So if you guessed banana bread, you're right. That's what I'm baking. Yeah, so after greasing the pan, I poured in the butter and I'm going to make sure to spread everything out evenly, and I'm going to bake in my preheated oven for a little over an hour. I baked in 200 degrees Celsius for a little over an hour. Depending on the setting of your oven, you might want to bake more or less of the time. After I'm done baking, this is what my banana bread looks like. So to check if your banana bread is cooked evenly, you just have to insert a skewer or a toothpick, and once it comes out clean or with crumbles, then you know it's ready. But if it comes out with a sticky batter on it, then you have to put it back in the oven and continue baking. Look at the color, guys. It's looking so amazingly beautiful. The color is so inviting. So mine is done and I'm going to slice and serve with chilled drink. Guys, we enjoyed this with some chilled drinks. You can enjoy it with ice cream, yogurt, whatsoever pleases your taste buds. Just look at this banana bread, guys. It was so fluffy and very moist. Like, it was so delicious. Please make sure not to finish everything in one sitting because the taste is so addicting. I promise you're going to love this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share this video, like this video as well, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.